gotta get lynched in.
Hi everyone, so it's our day 6 in Serbia and finally we are here in Belgrade. There's another happy news and a sad news. Well, I think it's a happy news. So we're extending a day because unfortunately the COVID test cannot be done today because only if we get it done today we can go tomorrow. But then we have to book the appointment for tomorrow today and we'll fly the after tomorrow. It's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be an amazing day today. Last night we punctured our tire and we reached pretty late and then we woke up kind of late today, not that late, a little late. So stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all. Here is the city.
And we know like what to see here, like tourist attractions and attractions.
I mean, this map will be like a little guide for you.
Okay.
So we are here. When you walk outside, if you take first to the right, you will enter in this
Fortress.
I will say, yeah, the fortress, the Belgrade Fortress and the Kalemegdan Park.
Okay.
You have plenty of cultural and historical monuments. You have amazing view from this side, and then here is the symbol of Belgrade, the statue of Victor. Cave in Serbia and beautiful waterfall.
All that in the same place.
All that in like 3 different places. This is southeast, actually eastern Serbia.
It's waterfall.
Yes.
So we're in Eastern Serbia. Okay.
I'm sorry that.
So you guys heard it, we're in Eastern Serbia and there's a lot of places to see over here.
From 1 hour we have to go from.
Yeah, 1 hour from here there's a place where you can see a lot of beautiful things. So let's go there. So this is the information center. You can come over here and you can ask them for help. You can ask them the places to see. So that's what we did. They're talking inside and I thought I'll come over here and see what is over here. It's a museum. Hi. There's a lot of paintings. But it all looks the same to me. It's the same thing but like done by different people. Interesting, you guys. So guys, we are in Belgrade Old Town. This is a shopping mall. There is a shopping mall right beside where we stay. Starbucks. Sita Pak. Pizza. Okay. However you pronounce it. I came and I just sat down. I got a place for us. So Belgrade has always been a meeting point and it is the capital of Serbia. And not just that, people are very friendly and very helpful as well. And right now we're here in this place is called Kalemegdan, and it's a Belgrade fortress. So now today this is the modern capital which, although fast placed, proudly preserves its rich. I'm trying to read this out. What a fail! What a fail! Oh, but you guys, it's a capital. Yeah, Belgrade is the capital of Serbia. So you guys, this fortress has been built by Serbia to show a gratitude to France because they helped them during World War. And there is Danube River over there, you guys can see it. This is known as Belgrade Fortress. Flowers for the flower girl. Princey ma'am, I got some flowers for you because you're the flower of my life. So these are the equipments that these people used to fight for wars in World War One, by the way. I mean, looking at this only, I'm getting scared. I'm sure it's pretty fake. But I was just thinking and just wondering if it's real. Oh my god, it's going to be really scary. If you ask me, there's not much to see here in Fortress. What do you think?
Yeah, that's true. There's not much.
There's not much, but there's a lot to walk, and there's a lot of there's a lot of equipments that we've seen which is used for World War. And there's a lot of park here. Not a lot. There's a park over here.
Yeah.
It's a dinosaur park, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And then you can snack on. There's things that you can buy like ice cream, chocolate. So there's just a snack bar. But yeah, for this dinosaur park, you have to buy the ticket. Yeah, it's not for free. Nothing's for free. And I see something over here. It's written in Serbian language, so I'm not able to like understand what it is. Like there are so many houses, kind of buildings over here, like within this fortress. But like I'm not able to understand what it is because it's written in Serbian language. And most of the people, they don't, like in Belgrade, they like most of the people do speak in English, but in countryside people don't speak in English at all. They only speak Serbian language. So luckily in Belgrade we found people who speak English, like shopkeepers and everyone. They talk, they do understand, and they can communicate in English. So now we off to church. She's going to church on our way. We're going to Temple of Saint Sava. It's 15 minutes from Belgrade. Finally we reached the church. You see the church from here? It's a beautiful church. It's a pretty huge church, by the way. Wow.
Is on the right.
So she's come back from the church. How do you feel now? Very spiritual?
Yes.
Amazing. So now we're heading to the post office because apparently we have to pay for the COVID test, and the only thing that I found quite expensive over here is for the testing, right? For the COVID test, that is 350 dirhams. I think around 5,000 dinar it's going to be. So
It's 9,000.
9,000 per person?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god, so it's going to be like 25k and above. So we're gonna go there and we'll make the payment. Only then tomorrow we can get our test done. We're going to. You can either do the payment through bank, or like you have to go to
In 800 meters,
post office and pay. And in 800 meters we're gonna reach there. So there's a sad news. We got fined today. We got 1,900 dinar fine for not paying the parking. So the parking here is paid in Belgrade from 7 to I think until 9. And the most shocking part is I'm very shocked to know that it is system generated. Like it's not like how the person comes and they sees if the person is put parking or not. It's all computerized. How do you feel about the fine?
Yeah, I'm so happy, you know.
Why?
Because I told her to put the parking.
And she didn't
No,
do it.
we were sleeping.
Yeah, we were sleeping unfortunately. We were supposed to wake up by 8 o'clock because we put parking for like 1 hour. From 7 to 8 we put. Right? Yeah, from 7 to
9 we put. 2 hours.
Yeah, 7 to 9 we put. So we put for 2 hours and we can't put more than that. And we thought we'll wake up, but unfortunately we woke up by 11 o'clock. I woke up by 11 o'clock and these people woke up by 11:30.
Oh my god.
9:30.
11:30. No?
9:30. 9:30 we woke up.
You guys woke up by 9:30 and you guys didn't put the parking? And after that you guys put the parking?
No,
No, by
9:30
9
we already got the fine by 9:30.
But after that you have to put parking, right?
No, after that we once fine is there, what is the need to put parking?
Ah, yeah.
It's free for the entire.
But don't do that. You should always put parking. You guys never do that. If you're in Belgrade, make sure you put the parking because you will get fined because it's all system generated. The person doesn't manually come and check if they put parking or not. So it's very like sad. It's okay. Oh, we so badly wanted to eat Indian food in Belgrade, and so finally we came to this place. This place is called Maharaja. Maharaja is a restaurant name. We managed to find the place. You guys, check out this wall. It is so, what do I say? It's so fancy. It's so funky. Sorry, I used the wrong word. Someone is struggling there to park the car. And you see, I saw a house here, which looks like the kind of houses you find in, you know, India. Beautiful, simple, subtle. Maharaja, here I am. Give me biryani. I hope they have biryani. I haven't had food in like for days, especially Indian. I am so saddy-maddy because I love Indian food. We all love Indian food. We're Indian food fan. I'm sorry you guys, the restaurant name is not Maharaja. It's just I thought that was the name and she told me that was the name, but then it's not the name. The restaurant name is Diwali Mahal. It's in Belgrade. So how do you feel, Miss Princey? Because we're having Indian food for the first time here in Belgrade.
I feel so good.
You feel so good?
Yeah.
I feel equally good as you.
I'm tired of eating egg.
Me too. Here it's Diwali. The place is called Diwali, yeah, you guys. Yay! Finally we're gonna have some Indian food. It feels so good, you guys. I'm not even kidding. I feel like it's so nice. Hi, we're Indians, by the way.
Again?
Yeah, we're Indians.
Again Indians?
Yeah, we're Indians from Dubai.
Really?
Yeah, nice to meet you. Are you Serbian?
Of course.
Huh?
Being a Serbian is amazing. I didn't know that.
It is. Because you're Serbian and then you're working here in Indian restaurant.
Yeah. Yeah, I learned for I had like 20 years to learn. Yeah.
20 years. So can you speak Hindi?
You own this place, right?
It's your restaurant?
No.
You don't know how to speak Hindi?
No.
And can you say any song? You know the song which is being played right now?
If you sing me one Serbian song, I will sing you 10 Indian songs.
Wow! I think he knows Indian song. I was craving for chocolate and as so badly I got this ice cream. So here is my cake, dark chocolate cake, and here's the fruit truffle. Let me try it and tell you guys how it tastes like. It's pretty dark over here. Yum. The fruit truffle is amazing. So we had our dessert and then we went for a walk, and now we're just sitting here chilling, and after this we'll go sleep and then wake up early morning because we have our COVID test, we have to do shopping, and we have to do so many things, and after tomorrow we're gonna fly back to Dubai. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I'll see you all in my next video. Till then, bye, take care. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all so much. Bye, take care. Bye.